Guys, I don't know how to thank you. Thanks for coming by and taking care of those pesky grandkids of mine, and also feeding them to the octopus that I have. I really appreciate that. How much did you say your service was?
We're having a discount this week. Only $2,100 per child.
$2,100 per child? Will that work? Did you just take that? Will that gonna be okay?
Yeah, I'd say it'll cover the cost. Yeah.
All right. Well, thank you. Next week, I think I have there's a cougar in the backyard, and I noticed he already ate my dog and the neighbor's kid. But you guys think you can help me with that?
Oh yeah, definitely.
Right, thanks. Thank you so much.
Anytime.
All right.
Yo, are you sure this is U.S. currency?
I don't know, but we're traveling out of country next month, so we can try other countries.
Actually, you know, it looks cool, so we'll just keep it. I'm gonna stick this thing up the sunroof. Alright, bet. Good payday today. Yeah.
Why'd you leave the car running?
Because it's hot and like the air conditioning.
Someone gonna steal it?
No one's going to steal it. It's fine. We're right there. We have vitamin one. My car! Wait. I can track him with my phone. And I have the master kill switch. Oh, he's close. Time to kill the ignition. Am I trapped? Windows don't work. Throw in the back seats. There it is.
Uh-oh. Is that Michael? it's probably the last I'll see of him.